Hi guys, long time no see and welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing an unboxing. Guys, I've been buying so much stuff and I have so many videos to make and of course I try and knock them out at the same time. But we're talking about TOD'S, and you guys know I love TOD'S. I love their loafers. So yeah, we're doing the sneakers, and I saw these in leather and high-tech fabric. I got them in white beige, and they retail for $695. And I just thought they were really cute. It's TOD'S sneakers in elegant leather with high-tech inserts, side T stitching, and rubber outsole. And that is all TOD'S has to say about these. So, yeah, I just thought they were really cute. And I thought they would go with some of my dresses, but also possibly when I do start walking a lot again outside, I can kind of put these with some of my dresses. Don't you just love it when you open boxes and it's just, yeah. So, do the TOD'S thing. And you have the dust bag that comes with it, which is brown. Let's open up. Yeah. Hey, sweetie. Yeah, you're doing so good. You're doing so good. Okay. Okay. Opening them up. Oh. I'm just making all type of noise. Okay. Okay. Here we go. This is the shoe. Has mesh right here. Has the understated, well, you won't call it, I'll call it understated logo because there's the T right there. Oh, and it says TOD'S back here, but oh, they look so comfortable. Oh, the smell of leather. Yes, sweetie, you're doing so good. Yes, the little one is still here. Okay, yes. Okay, these are cool. So the mesh for breathability, I feel myself going to get these so dirty, but let's try these on and see if they fit. I hope they fit. Yeah, let's go for it. All right, guys. So, okay. I think they are super cute. They're really cute. They are a bit tight, though. It's okay, sweetie. Yeah. Yeah. They are a bit tight, though. So, I would say you might want to go up a size or a half a size or something of that nature. Because, of course, they're Italian. But, oh, they're super cute. But I don't... And they run a bit narrow. I wonder if I can stretch these out, but the padding is comfortable, but my toe is all the way up there. So yeah, they do run a bit small. So yeah, so I hope that helped you guys figure out if it's something that you want to purchase or we're looking at and see how they look. I think they're cute. And yeah, thank you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.